What is going on? James from Act Audio. We got a good one for you today. We just finished up this 2019 Street Glide. It's a banger.
Okay, let's go.
We did 10-inch subs in the bags, 8-inch coaxials in the bag lids, 6.5-inch mids with horns up top, 8-inch mids in the lowers, diamond radio, 2 Cicada amps, and lithium battery, and a DSP. Turn around, we're gonna show you what we did. Check this thing out. All right, so as you can see in the video, it sounded great. We got the Cicada CHX 8.2 in the rear lids. These are the Cicada bags, right? So they're walled off from the subs. We have the CMB 10.S4 Neos in each bag. It is sound deadened, it is ported, it is braced. The crossover for the Cicada tweeter is there. Both bags are the same. We have the CM 8.4 in the lowers. We have the CM 6.5.4 in the uppers with the horns and the Cicada grills. We have the diamond radio and the amps. We got everything in the fairing, which is beautiful. We have the FLX 1600.1 here, the FLX 1400.4P there, and our connectors. And as you can see, our wiring, I mean, there's a lot of wiring in here, but we keep it as clean as we can. All of our connectors are branded, so, you know, people know who did it. We take pride in our work. Our RCAs are all heat shrunk closed. We do have an amp bracket in here that these are mounted to. We also have a lithium ion battery, but this baby rocks. And there you have it. That is an awesome build. Customer first inquired with us, and he wanted to do 4 6x9s, 4 8s, 4 6.5s, all on the system. And basically, I said that's the wrong direction in my opinion. In the audio world, less is more. We want to separate the sound waves. We want things doing their unique things. We don't want the speakers fighting against each other. So this is what we did to optimize and maximize his bike. You know, at the end of the day, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 speakers on it, counting the subs, and 2 amplifiers running the whole system. So a lot of people think you need way more than that. My ears hurt listening to this thing. Any questions, hit us up below. As always, click like, subscribe, follow. Please, you help supporting a local business. We appreciate it. Ethan and James, out.